Okay, so I was supposed to be uploading 10-minute bar. So yeah, this what's happening. I just uploaded new episode and I hope you like it and probably won't like it definitely. So this is not this and then this time and then only this 30-minute thing. Welcome back to Shine Blade. This is what's happening, guys. Look, I'm gonna put making what the heck? Look. See, what the heck is that? But so yeah, you're just gonna watch it. So, welcome back to Shine Blade video. Welcome back to Shine Blade video, and today we're gonna make a vlog to make Graham Bar.
Kasi madali. Mama, turuan ka.
Si Spanish Sosya Carmen Balong. Ang coaching ito ay hindi lang basta isang ordinary sasakyan, salit isa rin itong moving art. Nagkakahalang haling mga sa
Mag-toppings.
Ganito lang, wala na.
Yan, okay. Papalamadin na lang natin.
So, hindi na natin ano ito, toppings. Wala nang toppings. Wala nang gano'n to?
Kung gusto nyo. Oh yeah, that's it, guys. Yeah. And that's it. Bye guys. This video. That's literally it.